Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you.
Walaikum assalam.
Today I'm going to share with you all habits of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has a lot of benefit, with science and medical prove that after many years of research. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to wake up early. He used to pray at Fajr. Today science proved that waking early increases your productivity, as well as people who wake up early are less likely to be depressed. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to eat less, increase uh, uh, Prophet ﷺ used to eat less, reduce sickness, and also uh, can help us to fight with many diseases. Prophet ﷺ used to eat slow. It takes 20 minutes to send signals to brain, which tells us tummy is full. Eating slow increases your productivity, as well as it is highly recommended by science. Eating at once. Prophet ﷺ always told us to eat together as a family. Today, science proved that eating together reduces stress. Drinking water in 3 breaths. Today, science proved that drinking water at once can cause headaches, dizziness, and imbalance in our blood electrolytes. Eating pomegranate. Prophet liked pomegranate. Today, science declared that pomegranate is the healthiest food on the earth. Eating dates stabilize blood sugar levels and electrolyte levels, rebalance blood in the body. Today, science proved that dates can boost such a sign contains production in the body and speed up labor. Fasting. Prophet ﷺ told Muslims to fast during Ramzan. Today, science declared that fasting at Ramzan can help us to, it is a highly healthy, and also it can help us to fight with cancer cells. Prayer. 3 out of 5 pillars of Islam keeps a human fit. Prayers is also a form of exercise. Obviously, science told us exercise exercise daily, keep our brain and heart healthy. Finally, may Allah give us the ability to act upon this sunnah. Thank you.